Hey guys! Welcome to Baani Quiz! In this video, we will be playing the 3 gift box challenge. Blue, rainbow, and pink. 2 good and 1 bad. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's begin! Choose your house. Choose your bedroom. Choose your bathroom. Choose your dining room. Choose your kitchen. Choose your heels. Choose your cake. Choose your car. Choose your pancake. Choose your clothes. Choose your chair. Choose your ring. Choose your phone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.